If you are running a precision machine shop, it is so vital that you have a fire suppression system in place. And we've seen it firsthand with what Firetrace has done for us in extinguishing our fire. The industries that we work with are medical, aerospace, and many other OEMs that require special precision parts. The fire that recently happened on a medical part that we were manufacturing in the Swiss screw machine. The Swiss screw machine has oil, and it was a titanium part.
We thought just an airline blew because we just heard a hissing sound, and we walked over and here the Firetrace system had set itself off, and we didn't even realize there was a fire.
There was no damage to the machine, and we were back in operation within a day. The estimated cost savings were at least $500,000 due to the reliability of the Firetrace system in extinguishing the fire.
You're spending at least $250,000 a piece on a machine. To protect that with a small fraction of that cost is just a no-brainer.